Hi guys, very warm welcome to the Crypto Geek channel. This is Professor Andrew Smith. People who are thinking about getting involved with cryptocurrencies should keep in mind that industry terminology can be hugely beneficial. Specific terms are highly unique to the digital currency, making it unlikely that traders would have picked it up when studying other asset classes like stocks, bonds, and commodities. This video will explore the popular terms and phrases relevant to cryptocurrencies, and we will discuss the terms one by one, so let's start the video. Altcoins are alternative cryptocurrencies that were launched after Bitcoin's success. They generally project themselves as better replacements for Bitcoin. Litecoin, Cardano, Ethereum, and Polkadot are some examples of altcoin, and they are similar to Bitcoin in nature. ATH is the acronym for all-time high. It is usually used when the cryptocurrency is trading at the highest price it has ever achieved. A bullish investor, also known as a bull, believes that the price of one or more securities will rise. A bearish investor, also known as a bear, is one who believes prices will go down and eradicate a significant amount of wealth. Fiat money is a government-issued currency that is not backed by a commodity such as gold. Fiat money gives central banks greater control over the economy because they can control how much money is printed. Most modern paper currencies, such as the US dollar, are fiat currencies. Cold storage is a way of holding cryptocurrency tokens offline. By using cold storage, cryptocurrency investors aim to prevent hackers from being able to access their holdings via traditional means. Going long on a stock or crypto market is the more conventional investing practice. The investor purchases an asset and owns it with the expectation that the price is going to rise. One way to make money on stocks for which the price is falling is called short selling, or going short. Short selling is a fairly simple concept. An investor borrows a stock, sells the stock, and then buys the stock back to return it to the lender. Short sellers are betting that the stock they sell will drop in price. HODL is one of the most frequently used slang terms in the Bitcoin community. Some people occasionally say, incorrectly, that HODL is an acronym for hold on for dear life. While that acronym is accurate, it's a bit of revisionist history. Short form for fear of missing out is called FOMO, even though when the price hits, the trader must wait for the right time to make a move in the market. An acronym that stands for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. It is a strategy to influence perception of certain cryptocurrencies or the cryptocurrency market in general by spreading negative, misleading, or false information. A FUDster is someone who spreads FUD. FUD is a short form for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. FUD is any information that is supposed to create feelings of fear, uncertainty, doubt, and other negative emotions. A fork is a cryptocurrency term that refers to a division of one cryptocurrency format into two or more successor cryptocurrency formats, where one of the successor formats may or may not remain the same as the original. A software wallet is a computer program designed device to secure your cryptocurrency, while allowing only you to access it. A wallet is software that interacts with the network of recordings, blockchain, and lets users receive, store, and send their digital money. A hardware wallet is a special type of crypto wallet, which stores the user's private keys in a secure hardware device. It is the most secure way to hold the cryptocurrency. This is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. A blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transactions that is duplicated and distributed across the entire network of computer systems on the blockchain. That's all for this part of the video, and thank you for watching. In next video I will teach and explain you the tips to safely invest in cryptocurrency. Also don't forget to subscribe this channel to support me so that I can spread free education.